Denver reportedly spending nearly $600,000 on labor and waste disposal in 2021, and last year cleaned up about 230 large encampments more than one time. Melanie Collette is here, the former vice chair of the New Jersey Federation of Republican Women growing here. This issue continues to grow. You've seen they're throwing money at it. You've seen different cities throw money at it. They put these boards together to address the problem, paying tax-paying money going to again lawmakers on a local level. But you just saw again the homeless man there in the interview saying, "Hey, we'll just go somewhere else and hope we don't get yelled at."
Exactly. And this is kind of the dirty little secret that people don't talk about when they talk about the homelessness issue, is that some of these people are quite comfortable where they are. They don't want to leave, whether they have mental health problems, they've just given up on life, or they're drug addicted. Some of them really just want to live outside. It sounds absolutely crazy, but when you go and talk to them, many homeless people have that same kind of energy. That's where they like to say they appreciate that lifestyle, and I guess the stress of bills and all of those things just gets to them, and they don't want to do it. So, but the government's job is public safety, and it's a safety hazard for anyone who lives nearby any of these camps. And so we can't just say, move them along, or you can just stay here and put up a tent. We really have to do something about that, and it's the government's responsibility to do that. Constituents should not have to complain about how unsanitary it is, or having to walk by needles, or anything like that in order to get things done. The government should already be doing that.
Well, or just call in the Chinese president to schedule another visit to the United States, as we saw in San Francisco. Why did it take the leader of the CCP to actually have Governor Gavin Newsom clean up San Francisco?
Because nothing screams louder that we don't care about our constituents, we care about the power of the office, than cleaning up when a communist dictator comes to your town. Then you clean it up, and then you move them to other neighborhoods, and then you move them back. They're back. The people that left in California when he was here, they're back, and the same situation is there again. It is pathetic. It's disgusting. And quite frankly, Gavin Newsom should be ashamed of himself for admitting that publicly.
San Francisco, we had one of the business owners on the show confirming that they were back the very next day as soon as all the pomp and circumstance was done. Melanie Collette joining us. We'll see in just a bit. Thank you so much for that.